किड्स, आज हम A to Z स्मॉल लेटर और कैपिटल लेटर लिखेंगे और कलर नेम जानेंगे। पर्पल कलर A for airplane, A for ant. Sky blue color B for butter, B for banana. Orange color C for car, C for cat. Magenta color D for duck, D for dog. Pink color E for egg, E for elephant. Red color F for frog, F for fish. Magenta color G for grapes, G for gate. Orange color H for hen, H for horse. Red color I for ice cream, I for ice. Pink color J for joker, J for jacket. Magenta color K for kite, K for king. Purple color L for lemon, L for lion. Sky blue color M for mango, M for monkey. Orange color N for nose, N for net. Pink color O for orange, O for onion. Sky blue color P for parrot, P for pumpkin. Magenta color Q for queen, Q for question. Sky blue color R for rose, R for rat. Pink color S for sun, S for star. Orange color T for tiger, T for tiger. Red color U for umbrella, U for uncle. Magenta color V for van, V for vegetable. Orange color W for watch, W for water. Sky blue color X for Xmas-tree, X for extra. Red color Y for yo-yo, Y for yak. Purple color Z for zebra, Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज। थैंक यू।